How are you? Happy Monday evening. Time check is 10 past 8 ng gabi. Kauwi ko lang galing ng Zumba class ko. At tignan nyo anong nangyari dito sa cabin. Binagyo. I'm gonna show you something. Ayan, binagyo. O diba, grabing kalat. Ay, aking aling maliit. Was baba dyan ya? Ang ingay ni Mister. Ang kalat. Ang ating gagawin today, guys, is mag-unbox tayo ng ating parcel. Meron kaming dalawang parcel. One for me and one for hubby. But I got no idea what hubby got sa kanyang parcel. Pero ito, i-open natin. Order ko to from Gap. So, buksan natin. Maingay yung TV. Parang bingi ito nanonood. Ewan ko kung naririnig niyo ako.
Sushi? My name is God.
First, we got some t-shirts for my little one. T-shirt ni James.
I do. Let me explain. Romulans, lots of them.
Stripe siya, stripe.
Can you get us out of here?
Yan, para kay James. And then, second one is my sandal.
Please.
Flat sandal. Bumili ako. And the color is pink.
Responding.
Ang ingay talaga. Para akong nasa diskuhan. Ito siya. This is how it look like. Tapos yung heels niya, ano lang, maiksi lang. Simple lang. Isukat natin. So, yan siya, guys. Yung sa ating sandal, ang cute niya. Napaka ano lang yung heels. 2 inch lang yata. Or 1.5 inch. Ayan, ang cute niya. Pang summer, diba? Pang kikay-kikay. Pasensya sa kalat. Ganyan yung kanyang, wala akong nail polish. Ayan yung t-shirt ni James. He looks a big boy. Oh, look at this handsome little boy. Show your t-shirt. Wow! Nice? Do you like it? Wow, pinipindo talaga yung lens, oh. So, i-open na natin, guys, yung ating pangalawang parcel. This one. This is for Mr. Really, it said here. Mr. Robert Adams. Pero, ako, he want me to open it again. But I don't know why. Oh, sabi niya, it's mine and him. So, let's open it, people. It's from Amazon. Amazon. I got no idea what's inside, pero tignan natin. Looks like this is it said here it's a fragile, honey. Fragile. But they broke the, what is it? Binutas nila yung carton. Pag-deliver, what you call it? Isn't it? There. Oh, this is it. Pansit. Ito siya, people. Yung aking aling makulit, oh. Yan. Let's see what's inside. Ang dami namang kakart. It's a drone! Yay! Gear up for Philippines! Yay! It's the Mavic drone. Wow! Yes, it's a drone, sweetie. Daddy bought a drone. Drone siya, guys. Oh. Galing-galing naman ni Mr. Supportive talaga. We can make a great shot, Baba, in Lola's place. Where did you put the scissors? Mommy will open this. Oh, shush. Hey, sis. Let's see. Ano lang to siya, guys? Ang nakalagay, it's Mavic Mini. DJI Ultralight 249 kasi hindi siya kailangan ng this one, honey, isn't it? You didn't need to have a license for this size.
Well, no.
What you mean?
If you put the prop propeller guard on, ready to go over the weight,
Oh, right.
then you would have to have a license.
Oh. Somebody's enjoying playing the cartoon. Oh.
Whoa, you broke the car.
Oh.
Stand up.
You break it. So you need to have a license for this then?
No,
Oh.
only if you put the prop guard on.
Okay. I'm with you. So, di na daw niya kailangan ng license for this.
But
Oh, I love the case. Look at the case. Kulay gray siya, guys. Oh. Isn't it lovely? Look. Ayan yung una niyang case. Tapos, check natin kung ano yung laman ng carton. A very, very lucky wife. I think this must be the... Oh. Ito yung laman. Ito yung drone. At I don't know what's this one. Charger might be. Controller. The controller. Here you go, mister. I'll let you figure it out. And there's another carton. I don't know. Maybe it's just empty or something. Or to support it. Oh no, I think it's their blade. A blade? What you mean, de? Yung pakpak. Basta whatever. Ito siya. Basta yung pakpak or ano ng... So, mayroon na tayong gear up for holiday in Philippines soon. May enjoy natin yung makikita nyo yung place ko where I live sa probinsya. Ito yung kanyang instruction. Is it heavy? Instruction. Very light. Can't believe it.
be a bit heavier once you got the battery in.
Alright. So, ito siya, guys. DJI Mini Mavic drone.
Could be the batteries.
It's gray color. Ang gaan niya lang pala. Mr. tried to fly one already before from his mate, the new honey. Is it the biggest one?
Well, it was
Yung Mavic Pro?
Mavic Pro.
The Mavic Pro, nakapaglipad na siya ng drone before sa kanyang friend. And the charger here.
Is it?
Yes, the charger.
What's this?
Manual, did I said earlier.
Oh, there the crap.
And I think this is the battery. Yes, the battery is here. It's quite heavy. I think the battery is make it heavy.
There's 3 batteries.
I think so.
3.
Yung battery yata yung nagpapaano sa kanya, nagpapabigat. Kasi the drone itself, yeah, it's 3, honey. The drone itself, it's really light. Tapos yung battery lang niya yung papabigat. Is it just one battery? So you got 2 extra.
Yeah.
Oh.
3 batteries.
Yeah. Meron kaming 3 battery. Meron kaming 2 extra, which is good. Hopefully it's gonna last long, honey, isn't it? Because my camera, this camera is, I got 2 battery and then I got 2, but I need more SD card for this camera kasi kailangan natin ng medyo marami-raming SD card pag punta natin ng Pinas para makapag-vlog tayo ng bonggang-bongga. So, ayun nga, may 3 kaming battery.
Is that the charger?
That's the battery and this is the charger.
This is your battery.
Yeah, that's the battery. Gear up natin para sa ating holiday soon.
Hopefully.
But hopefully, guys, mag-clear up na yung ano, diba? Alam nyo naman yung issue about sa coronavirus. But hopefully, touch wood is gonna clear up soon while may ano pa, few months na matitira bago kami pupuntang Pinas. Hopefully, it's gonna clear up and makauwi tayo ng Pinas because we're gonna stay there a bit longer. Oopsie!
Hey.
Oopsie! Oopsie! Look at this little munchkin. Hi, guys. Hi, hello. Kiss, mommy? Ay, sweet boy. So, ay, another kiss. Ay, sweet boy. So, ayan, guys. Thank you for watching. And hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Good night. Bye. Yeah, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah. This, yeah.